Alright, so the first cut I cut out of marine plywood, but then I remembered I'm making them out of this Akusa board. I already feel fiberglass on me from cutting this. Great. So that there is the first piece. Perfect height, perfect length. I might shave down the corners right here and right here to make it meet up a little bit better, but that is exactly what I'm going for. So the next one is this one right here. It's a little bit different because of the bottom has sort of a V shape to it, or it's a U shape, I guess you would say. So it's only gonna go from here to here. So I gotta figure that out. Probably gonna cut it out of cardboard and then cut it out of this stuff. But that's perfect. Perfect first piece. On to the next. Alright guys, it's a new day. I'm continuing with cutting out this board for the floor. Right now I'm working on trying to get the angle. So I'm gonna cut out of cardboard. Yeah. Alright, so I got this cut out, so it's pretty much just, that's all I need. Alright, just cut this like, right about there. Yeah, that's perfect. Mark it. Oh, whoa. Alright, so here we're gonna take some off the corners. It's close to the bottom, but it's hitting right here in the corners. So maybe we should probably gonna shave the corners off, huh? Shave them off a little bit. Yeah.
Clean your lashes.
You already know. They're so dirty. You need to clean them. Oh my god, are they dirty? They scratch.
I don't know.
They got dust in them or something. Yeah. Not a fiberglass, they're nice. Then we're gonna take some of the corners out. Alright. I got this piece for right here. That one fits really good. There. No. Oh wait, no, that's gonna be this one. That's gonna be one big one out of the wood. Make sure. We're gonna be cutting one for here all the way across. There's just a little dip right here, so we're gonna have to figure that out.
good on that. It's the length. We gotta cut at an angle on each end, the right length. All right. Sounds good. No. Look at that. Right there. And this one. So we got 1, 2, and that's the whole piece, except we dropped her down a little bit. I can cut out the main floor from there to about here. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright. And we'll go down through the edges here with some bondo, even up here on these edges, but also down there. You'll see the process. But alright, that's everything we need to cut out though. I got some more pulled out. These are sort of in place. So I'm just gonna, I dumped out too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the cracks right here after I finish these. So. gotta mix it. This is fiberglass resin. So as you can see, you haven't seen any of this bondo work that we did, but I got some pieces of fiberglass laid out. I'm mixing the first batch of resin, and all I'm pretty much gonna do is just dab it into the glass. Alright, so everything's bondoed pretty much. But if you can tell, this isn't a hole anymore. It's kind of just like giving me a space to fill bondo. I got some more bondo work done. It's a little bit later. Ben left a while ago, and I've just been out here looking at this stuff. This piece is 8 foot, and I had just enough to make. I'm gonna cut it here and cut that piece off, and I have a 8 foot sheet for the floor. And I measured in 8 foot from right there, runs just about to the top there. So all right, today's next day. Last night, the last thing you saw was I cut out the sheet of plywood that I had left over, because I made the floor the first time and I only made it to where it would run halfway up the boat, but then I decided to cut the whole sheet, which is 8 foot, and that's what we got cut out. Look, so instead of it going up to here, I just made it one full piece. I had just enough wood left, and it kind of ends off flat with the ground. So there's gonna be bondo here. We're gonna make it flat. I'm gonna vacuum it all out, and then we're gonna mix up bondo. We got four batteries, and lay bondo wherever I think the bottom of the board is gonna sit, and we're gonna cake that all in there, set the board on, put the batteries on top, let that set off, and then we'll fill the cracks on each side with bondo, and it shouldn't go anywhere. It should be stuck there for good after that.
There was a lot.
Yeah, that is a lot. Holy shit. I'm about to spill it. This board is so small. Alright. Oh, my hand hurts so bad from trying to do this. It's so awkward.
Yeah.
And try not to spill it. Alright, so we got the floor completely bondoed in, as you can see, all the way around the edges. There might be a couple spots that I want to hit again. Yeah, so everything is bondoed in. The floor is not ever coming out again. Well, I'm not ever gonna see it come out. And next step would be to sand it all down, which I'm gonna do with a sander. I can't do that by hand. I might get the edges by hand, but definitely gonna use a sander. So probably tomorrow, take it outside and sand it, fiberglass the back side of this board. After that, it's ready. We have to sand the fiberglass, and then it's ready for a gel coat. We can paint it. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next video will be fiberglass, sanding more, and just continuing on with the floor. So I'll see you in the next one.